In this video we will learn how to count words in Google Docs. So let's start. Here we are in our Google Docs, and we will go to our tools, and then under the tools you can see here word count. Okay, there are one page, words 3 words, and character 15, and character exclusive spaces are 13. So you can, there are shortcut here that you can use here, Control Shift C. If you type Control Shift C, then you can find the word. So Control Shift C, you can see the result typing Control Shift C. Suppose I am going to paste here. I'm going to paste here more words here. So now I want to test. Okay, what counts is perfect. Okay, if you want to count these words, you can count this word in 2 ways. The first one is going to tools. Under the tools you can find the options here, word count, and another one is typing Control Shift C. That's all the video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking. Thank you so much.